Hey everyone, welcome back. So the question for you is this one. I'm sorry, day 22, 22nd of January is this question here, which is set mismatch. Now in this question, we basically have an array. Okay, like we're supposed to have an array which has values from 1 to n. But what happened is one of the values has overlapped the other values. For example, if I were to take an array here, okay, where's my brush? Yeah. Oh, sorry, my example. Let me go to the whiteboard. Yeah. So if we take an array here, 1, 2, 3, instead of having this from 1 to n equals 3, what happened is 2 has replaced one of the values. So it's 2, 2, 3 now. So what we have to return is what we have been given is this value. We haven't been given this. We have this. What we have to return is, we have to first return what value is the duplicate, 2, and we have to return what value got replaced, the missing value. So this is what we have to return. Let's code. So this is quite straightforward. We'll be using a hash map, and we'll be looping over the hash map twice. So let me first create a hash map. This basically calculates the frequency of occurrence of every element in nums. So for I in range of length of nums, okay, and we'll start from 1 and we go till n plus 1. If hash map has the ith value, which means that if if my hash map has has a value with frequency 2, which means that we have encountered the value which has duplicated, then we first need to create a result variable here. Okay, so basically result of 0 would be the I value, and if I get a value which isn't on my hash map, okay, which means that it got replaced. So if its value is 0, then that is the value that got replaced. If I run now, it's working. Let's submit. There we go. We beat 89.22% of Python users. But it's a big O of n plus n, which is big O of n solution. I'll see you in the next one.